Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic, that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you need to find where the windshield wipers relay is located, which relay you need to check, if they do not work, where to buy cheap relays, fuses from, that way you don't waste your money guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, let's go ahead and explain that everything in this video today. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find guys a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So the wipers relay, where it's located guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic that we have here. You have 2 different fuse boxes, but we will need to work just in the fuse box that's under the hood. So if you open the hood on the right side here, let me just zoom in so you can clearly see that this is the fuse box. You open that cover, and once you open the cover you're going to see a fuse box layout just like this one. This is towards the front of your Honda Civic, this is towards the windshield side. Now before we continue guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the wipers relay, where it's located, if we come right here now guys, okay, on that wipers relay, if you look right here you will have one special huge relay that's known as relay circuit board. Unfortunately this one consists of multiple relays guys integrated in that thing, and if one function doesn't work correctly, we have to replace the whole thing. Squish on each side here, pull it out. We'll put a link where you can buy one from in the description of the video below. But the windshield wipers relay is integrated in that one. This one has 6 different functions integrated in that relay, so it's super important guys for your Honda Civic. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.